What the fuck did you guys do to my car? He's in there.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. We need to blow off a little steam today. You guys can tell in the little preview, we need to blow off some steam, so that's exactly what we are going to do in today's video. We're headed over to the tent shop, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun. I was told we can mess some stuff up. Like I said, blow off a little steam, and I hope you guys enjoy the video today. If you guys haven't, make sure you check out Southern Ties Collection on Instagram. We've got an awesome deal going on right now, breast cancer shirts. We will donate a portion of all sales this month for a breast cancer relief, awareness fund, whatever you want to call it, local to Atlanta, Georgia. So make sure you guys go check that out. Check out something on the website. Pick out your favorite color, your favorite logo, your favorite design, whatever it is. And we're working on something special. Oh, that was clean. Look at that. We're working on something special right now. Just go check it out. Enjoy the video. So, what's going on here?
I'm about to fuck this up.
This is what I show up to?
Ooh. Hey, don't get the trunk. Don't get the trunk. Whatever you do.
Me.
Get it in. Yeah. And then. Use the other car for leverage. Yeah, he was like, dude, if you guys are tinting and get pissed, don't throw anything. Just come over and kick the shit out of the car.
Is he scrapping this, or?
I was like, I love that. I need that. Yeah, he's ripping it apart for parts for the black car.
I'm saying, can we do that to Brad's next? So?
Yeah, can we got a little bit.
Kick.
Cars. Dude, yeah. I was gonna just slam into it. I was like, no, that's probably on that.
You would die.
Oh my god.
One more time.
Oh, that's a good ball shot right there.
No, we do that with our BS. Alright, this is like.
Ooh, you're so bad. Oh shit. Dislin Weasel.
Oh, he's got it.
Yeet.
No.
Oh.
That was a good one.
Yeah, don't mess up my wiener. Oh. He's in there. Dude, Connor's gonna come up and be like, what the fuck did you guys do to my car?
Somebody broke in, man. We're sorry.
We're just trying to fix your quarter panel, sir.
I was trying to save somebody's life. They were stuck inside.
This is what you call PDR.
Dang. So we got a hole.
We die.
I want you guys.
Dude, we were just outside talking.
Yeah, we were outside talking about
I was
business
like-
and having fun, and you're just like, you want to kick a quarter panel, and then it started as just kicking, and then somehow it went from kicking to this.
Yo, pull it back out! Pull it back out! Yeah. Alright. So, here at EXZACT Customs, we are actually initiating this custom work right here. They wanted a gas tank. Switch over to this side, pretty much. Dude, I'm so hot, fucking breath.
The jaws of life.
Oh, my penis artwork.
For those of you wondering, yes, the time has finally come. I'm going to get the freaking lawnmower out of the back of my truck now, because I'm actually going to cut the grass real quick, and then the lawnmower should be gone from the back of my truck for at least a couple weeks. It's starting to get cold, so the grass probably won't grow as quickly anymore, but yes, the time has finally come. First pull, baby. That Honda 3-in-1 putting in work today. I don't know, I keep seeing this Escalade over here and I'm in love with these wheels right now. I would love to be able to see these wheels on my truck. Even though they're not in the best shape in the world. Got some scuffs and some, you know, some, oh, that's not good. Actually, that's, yeah, that's not good. Maybe, maybe we shouldn't mess with that. As you guys can see, lawnmower's gone. I still got the mulch back here and a Gatorade bottle and some other stuff. Y'all, as a man, you have to have stuff in the back of your truck. What's up? We're going fishing again today. Somebody had commented the other day and said that they wanted to see some fishing in the next video, so that's what we're gonna do. Look at this. What the hell did you do?
I got stuck at 3 in the morning at Cabela's.
Wow.
Lips are a little bit dirty.
Wow. Hey, I like that though. I like that. That looks good. Hey, if you guys order a shirt, you can get one of those stickers. Look at this, just nonsense. I like it though, it looks good. I don't think I've ever pointed out the American flag back here. I actually really like that. Y'all go follow my man on Instagram, that_H2. We're gonna be out here slaying slaying hogs, is that what they call it? Slaying hogs. Wearing them out, you know, stuff, whatever country boys say. I'm not ripping lips, that kind of stuff, yeah. I'm an idiot and caught about a 2.5 pounder off of that dock over there. And we walk up and we see probably what? Maybe the one from Tuesday?
That was like a 4 or 5 pounder.
You think so?
That was big, man.
So we saw a huge fish sitting right over there, and I think I still see it. I still see it.
Is that him?
Yeah. No, right up against the, right up against that. Here, hold this. Hold this. Watch this.
Get him.
Watch this. He's turning. I see him. You see him?
Yeah.
See him?
Go for it.
I don't think I'm far enough out. Let me make one more cast out there before.
There's a little one over there. Nothing like that one though.
Damn, we messed that up.
That ain't bad.
Dude, hell yeah.
Still ain't bigger than that one you caught.
You don't think so?
Mm-mm.
That might be the one I caught.
Is it? That ain't a bad fish. Dude, I want a scale so bad.
We have to get a scale tomorrow.
I know. He don't have any belly though. He's a really skinny fish. But he's long. This might be the one you caught.
We're gonna see, hold on.
I'll hold him up like you did.
Actually it might be.
That's hard to tell. It may be the same fish.
Trying to see if that little mark is there. I think it is, yeah. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure that's the same fish. Because it's I'm looking at the mark.
Right here?
Right there.
Yeah.
Right, that little dark mark.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can see it right next to the fin in the picture.
He's got the same
mark, yeah. Same fish. I think that's the one that we were looking at right there. Or wherever it was right over there. That has to be that one.
All right, will you get me a picture with it real quick?
Hell yeah. That has to be that. But there has to be something bigger out here.
Dude, there's definitely a bigger fish than this. He did, yeah, it's the same fish. You don't want to swim away right away. Come on, buddy. Come on. There he goes. He's about to go. Oh, look at my shoe. That's what he did with you, isn't it? He just sat there for a minute.
Yeah.
There he goes.
Off he goes.
Flying dead on us.
Hell yeah.
Dude, there's gotta be a bigger fish.
I know there is. There has to be. And we're gonna catch him. Boom, just like that, another video in the books. I'm trying to get back on a regular posting basis. Me and Thomas behind the camera. Huge shout out to that_H2. We're gonna go filming. Hope you guys enjoyed the fishing today. I'm trying to throw a bunch of new stuff in. Make sure you guys go check it out. Southern Ties Collection on Instagram. Check out the website, all that great stuff. I love you guys. You guys are the best, as always. let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.